Emily here. So welcome back to another spooky mail video. So I have a package from the Spook Show Babe design, and I freaking love Crystal's like dolls that she has, jewelry, everything she has. Like, I did a couple videos of me unboxing the stuff that I have from her. I just love her art. Like, her art's my favorite thing ever. If you love Halloween, Tim Burton, just like really creepy, cute little creatures, then this is the perfect shop for you. She hand makes everything. Everything's so cute. So yeah, definitely make sure you go check my videos. I did one to me unboxing bunnies that she made, a Jason necklace, my Ouija bat I have, and a bunch of other things. But this one's very special. So I have a Jack baby that she made in here. Super excited. She gave me a 20% off the last time I ordered. So decided to get this because this was something I kind of had in mind. I kind of wanted, I just didn't get it. So when she sent me this coupon, I was like, you know what, this is the time for me to get it. So I finally got it, so I'm super excited to unbox it for you guys. So let's begin. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my goodness. And her packaging, like the way she packaged them is so cute too. So everything's packaged really well. So here's just the receipt here. So this is the way she packaged it. Very cute. I love the wrapping paper. Definitely Tim Burton theme. And she bubble wrapped it, so everything's good. I think I opened it upside down. Yeah, I opened it upside down by a mistake. Aww, this is cute. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, this is the way I was supposed to show you guys. Like, again, I opened it upside down. So she has a little thank you note that she always has. And there is a pumpkin bunny here that I just saw. She did not sell this. She must have just made this for her customers. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna open that up first. And then here's her little I forget what you call it, for her shop. So that's there. This is so cute. Okay, so this is, oh my god, usually she does send an extra surprise. The other one that I got, the other package I got, she sent a free pin to match my necklace, and it was so cute. So this is a little pumpkin Easter bunny. She did not sell these, so she must have just made it to send with her orders. Oh my goodness, this is really cute. I'm not like too much of a pink person. Like, I really do not like pink, but honestly, this is so cute. And this would be cute like with one of my tie-dye shirts, because believe it or not, I love tie-dye. And I think that would be really cute with one of my tie-dye shirts. Oh my goodness. That is so adorable. I love this so much. So, yeah, that is so cute. That is such a surprise. This is so cute. She should have sold this, because this is actually really adorable. I love this. So freaking cute. I love pumpkins, and that's adorable. Like, that's really adorable. I was not expecting that. So, like, again, this is what it looks like. I love the wrapping paper. I'm definitely going to keep the wrapping paper. Here's her card that she always sends, so you guys can see it. And then here is, like, her thank you that she has. And then it says, thank you very much for supporting my art. This piece was handmade just for you. Please leave this creepy cutie a review. Thanks, Crystal. So let's unbox it. I'm going to try not to ruin the wrapping paper because I love the wrapping paper. The other wrapping paper that she said I kept too, because it was just way too cute. Let's see if I can get it apart here. Oh my goodness. Love this wrapping paper so much. Very Tim Burton theme. Okay. So she always bubble wraps it, which is really good that she does that. She wants to make so that you definitely have it good. Like I said, like whole packaging and everything she does is so amazing. I respect her so much for her art and everything that she does for customers. So let's unbox this. I can see him already. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so cute. He is so cute. So here is baby Jack. I love the ribbon that he has on him. and he has a little like stash like rattle thing, and it has a jack-o'-lantern. Oh my goodness, look how cute he is. And then on the bottom it has this like spider web. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very cute. And then on the back it says handmade with love, and then her poster with like her logo, I guess that's what you could call it, and it says her name and then the year on that. Very cute. This is so cute, and like this could work for like a birthday, anniversary gift. Really cute would be for a baby shower. I honestly, like, another reason why I bought this, I mean, I love Jack, I love Name for Christmas, but another reason is because when I have a baby, I want to have my baby shower Name for Christmas theme. So obviously this is definitely going to be one of my decorations when the time comes, and I would love to have it in the nursery. She did come out with her creepy teddies from the movie and the ducks. I didn't get a hold of one, but she said she'll be doing them again when the spooky season starts off. So I'm definitely going to be getting a duck for sale because the duck was really cute. But I just got Jack for now. Like I said, he's so cute. I can't wait to see what else she makes. This is adorable. I definitely recommend this. Very cute. So now I have a baby Jack, a Ouija bunny, a bunny out of pumpkin, and then a zombie bunny. Very cute. Do a little close up of his face if you guys can see that. Very cute. I want to show you guys the back too, so you guys can see the back. Very cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link down below her shop so you guys can check her out. So thank you guys so much for watching.